Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for something very comforting, really rich and hearty, that is really easy, then I want to show you this Progresso 3-cheese tortellini. So this is a creamy soup that has cheese tortellini with spinach. And this is like comfort food in a bowl. So this is a soft and tasty tortellini. So this is great to have on hand because it's very quick. All you need to do is heat it up. And I find something like this to be very comforting, especially maybe when you're not feeling well, you don't have a lot of energy, but you want a nice warm bowl of comfort. So that is this right here. So I like the creaminess to this. These are made with ricotta, Parmesan, and Asiago cheese, and it definitely has a nice cheese flavor, which I also find very comforting. So this is just a nice thing to keep on hand for some of those days when you just want a nice comforting hot bowl of tortellini. So I would recommend this, and that's my point of view.